Good morning!
I'm your radio teacher,
I am your science buddy.
and I'll give you an exciting lesson that you'll surely enjoy.
Side Talks Radio. Education must continue.
Learning is a great avenue.
No one will be left behind.
With new normal comes new learning.
New method, new way of understanding.
Keep on learning.
Keep on achieving,
There's no way of hindering.
enriching one's dream.
This is Side Talks Radio,
your number one source of science education.
Conveying a half an hour of quality scientific teaching on air.
This is
Side Talks Radio.
Good day, kids, and to all the listeners out there, especially to our third graders. You are listening to our School on Air for third grade science, where learning the subject is made more fun and exciting. I am your teacher, Ma'am Sharon from Burgos District, Division of Isabela. Are you doing well? Did you enjoy your long vacation? I hope everybody enjoyed it. By the way, have you taken your meal already? Good! Your stomach should be full for you to be active and be able to participate well in our lesson. Also, make sure that you are in a safe and well-ventilated place where you can clearly hear our broadcast. I am reminding you to listen attentively because after our discussion, we shall be having a short quiz to find out your level of understanding on our lesson. Am I clear? All right, I'm sure you are all ready now, so let's get started. To begin, let's check what you already know about the lesson to be taken. Kindly bring out your first module and turn it on page 2. Let us answer the 5 given questions by choosing and writing the letter of the best answer on your science journal or notebook. I repeat, bring out your quarter 1, module 1, classifying objects and materials, and let's answer what I know on page 2. Choose the letter of the best answer and write it on your science journal or notebook. Are you ready? Okay, first question. Helen walks every day to school. One afternoon, when she was on her way back to their house, it rained very hard. Aha! It is good that I brought with me my umbrella, she said. The rain is an example of A. Solid, B. Liquid, C. Gas, D. Solid and gas. Number 2. A ripe mango is yellow. Which characteristic of solid determines the word yellow? A. Size, B. Shape, C. Color, D. Texture. Number 3. Which of the following materials is gas? A. Smoke, B. Water, C. Alcohol, D. Paper. Number 4. Which of the following is not true? A. Solid has weight and occupies space. B. Liquid flows and takes the shape of the containers. C. Gas is everywhere and it has weight and it occupies space. And letter D. Liquid and gas have no weight but occupy space. And number 5. Which of the following statement is true? A. Solid objects and materials can be classified as to color, size, shape, and texture. B. Gas cannot fill the shape of the container. C. Liquid flows and has no weight. Letter D. Solid, liquid, and gas can be classified according to the shape and odor only. This time, let us find out your scores. I will read to you the correct answer in each item, and I want you to check your answers honestly. Again, check your answers honestly. Give me a yes if I can expect that from you, dear pupils. I can't hear you. Alright, for number 1, letter B, liquid. Number 2, correct. Letter C, color. For the third item, you got it right. Letter A, smoke. Fourth, you're correct. Letter D, liquid and gas have no weight but occupy space. Number 5, very good. Letter A, solid objects and materials can be classified as to color, size, shape, and texture. Now, please count your scores. How many items were you able to get correctly? If you got a perfect score, which is 5, say excellent. If you scored 4 and below, say I need to strive harder. Now, since most, if not all of you got a score below 4, get ready, for we are about to have a discussion on states of matter, and hopefully you can already perfect the following activities after this short break.
Good morning, Miss Santos.
Oh, good morning to Mrs. Cruz. What can I do for you?
I just want to ask, ma'am, are we the ones to teach our children at home during this pandemic?
As we have already given the modules, we encourage you to guide your child for them to complete all the given activities. Do not worry because instructions are clearly provided in their self-learning materials. Just provide your child the necessary adult supervision while doing the task. If you have queries, you can always reach me. We cannot do anything but to follow the new normal way of learning. Worry not, if everyone stays at home, COVID-19 will go away.
Thank you, Mrs. Santos. I promise to guide my child the best way I can. Have a good day, Mom.
Thank you for your cooperation, Mrs. Cruz. Likewise, keep safe.
In DepEd, modular learning under the new normal is one of the modalities. Sulong Edukalidad. We recover as one. A friendly reminder from the Department of Education and this station.
And I'm back! I am your teacher, Mom Sharon. As mentioned before the break, we will talk about objects and materials around us and their properties. After listening to this episode, you are expected to identify and describe objects and materials at home and in the surroundings and classify them into solid, liquid, and gas. Children, don't you know that there are different objects and materials around us? These materials are called matter. Would you mind to say it again? That sounds great! Matter can be solid, liquid, and gas. Our lesson for today is about the states of matter. After this episode, You are expected to identify and describe objects and materials at home and in the surroundings and classify them into solid, liquid, and gas. But first, let's listen to the song entitled The Three States of Matter. Are you excited to hear this song? That's great! So, here it is.
Alright everybody, are you ready for the Three States of Matter song? Here we go. Solid, liquid, and gas. The three states of matter, they all have mass. Solid, liquid, and gas, they all have mass. Oh yeah. A solid is firm, a solid is hard. Just like the rocks in your backyard. A liquid is wobbly, a liquid is loose. Just like water, or milk or juice. A gas is the trickiest one to me, because a gas is something that you cannot see. The helium gas in your balloon makes it float all around the room. Come on! Solid, liquid, and gas. Three states of matter, they all have mass. Solid, liquid, and gas, they all have mass. One more time, you guys, come on! Solid, liquid, and gas. The three states of matter, they all have mass. Solid, liquid, and gas, they all have mass. Alright.
How did you find the song? Did you enjoy it? What is the song all about? Very good! It is about the three states of matter. There are different objects and materials that can be found at home and in the community. They are called matter. Can you say the word matter for 3 times? Excellent! What is matter? Fantastic! Matter is anything that has weight and takes up space. Try to look around you. Can you see trees, tables, chairs, and stones? Good! Everything you see and touch is made up of matter. Matter comes in different shapes and sizes. Why does matter comes in different shapes and sizes? Well, this is because matter comes in 3 forms. These are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas fill up space in different ways depending upon how big, small, long, or short the object is. Kids, join me as we explore more about the 3 states of matter and their properties. Try to look at the window. Can you see flowers, houses, cars, and electric posts? Consider your pencil, bag, papers. Those are all examples of solids. Solids are objects that we can touch and see. Solid has shape, color, texture, and size. Can you give me more examples of solid? Nice answer! It's very hot outside. Kids, when you feel thirsty, what do you usually grab for a drink? Water? Very good! The healthiest drink in the world is water. What about your father and mother? What do they prefer to drink especially every morning? A cup of hot coffee? Great! I also love drinking coffee. Coffee and water are examples of liquid. Liquids are objects that we can also touch and see. They change their shape depending on the container. They have weight too. Moving on, what makes the kite fly? Wind. Correct. Yes, wind makes the kite fly. What do we inhale? Very good. Oxygen is what we inhale. And what do we exhale? You're right. We exhale carbon dioxide. Wind, oxygen, and carbon dioxide are examples of gases. Gas is another form of matter. It cannot be seen, but we can feel it, and it surrounds us. Gas has weight and occupies space. It has no shape or size. To summarize our lesson, what do you call the objects and materials you see around us? You're absolutely right. It's matter. Matter is everything around us. It has mass and weight. What are the three states of matter? Very good. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. How do you describe a solid? Exactly. It has shape, color, texture, and size. How about liquid? What are its properties? Amazing! Liquid follows the shape of the container and it has weight. Finally, can you describe gas? Wow! You have listened really well. Gas can't be seen, but it can be felt. Gas has weight and occupies space with no shape and size. An example of which is the air we inhale. Get ready for the next part of our lesson. Bring out your quiz form, for we shall have a short quiz after this break.
They say knowledge is power in this world full of devour. Be prepared in mind and never get reckless. We'll conquer the world. Let's be educated. Education is indeed a key to success. Education must continue despite of the pandemic. A simple reminder from the Department of Education and this station.
And I'm back! I am Teacher Sharon. At this point, we're ready to classify the things around us into solid, liquid, and gas. Listen carefully as I give the direction in answering the questions. You have to clap your hands 3 times if it's solid. Clap your hands 4 times if it's liquid, and clap your hands 5 times if it's gas. I repeat, if the given example is solid, clap your hands 3 times. If it's liquid, clap your hands 4 times, and clap your hands 5 times for gas. Are you ready? Okay, I think everybody is ready now. First, pencil. Very good. You clapped 3 times. It's solid. Next, milk in a glass. Excellent. You clapped 4 times. It's liquid. Third, smoke from the car. Bravo! You clapped 5 times. It's gas. Fourth, water container. Wonderful! You clapped 3 times. It's solid. Fifth, water from the faucet. Correct! You clapped 4 times. It's liquid. Congratulations, kids! You did great! This time, let's do more and find out how much you have learned. Listen well and be alert. In this activity, I'm going to read to you 5 statements. Write yes in your quiz form if the statement is true and write no if it's false. Once you hear the sound, it means you can now begin to write your answer. And when you hear the sound, it means time is up. I'll repeat the instruction. I'm going to read to you 5 statements. Write yes in your quiz form if the statement is true and write no if it's false. Once you hear this, it means you can already write your answer. And when you hear the sound, it means time is up. Did you understand the instruction, kids? All right, I think everybody understood the instruction. So, let's begin. For number 1, solid has definite shape and weight. Write your answer now. Time is up. Let's move on to number 2. A solid can be described through its shape, color, size, and texture. Is it a yes or no? Write your answer now. Time is up. Let's proceed to number 3. Listen carefully. Liquid has the ability to flow. Yes or no? Write your answer now. Time is up. Let's move on to number 4. Gas occupies the space of the container. Think before you answer. Write your answer now. Time is up. Let's answer the last question. For number 5, liquid and gas take the shape of the container. Is it a yes or no? Write your answer now. Time is up. You're done answering all the 5 questions. I know you're all eager to know if you answered the questions correctly. Don't be too excited, kids, because we're going to check your answers next meeting. Don't forget to submit your quiz form to your teacher. For now, I want you to fix your things. Put all of them inside and keep your bag in the proper place. Do it now, kids! Alright, let's give ourselves a round of applause for a job well done. For now, I want everyone to stand and join me as we listen and dance to the tune of this music, We Ride to School.
What a happy day, what a happy day. Tomorrow you'll go to school.
Mom and Dad, we can't wait. Tomorrow will be so cool. We go to sleep so early. We need to rise on time to ride to school with Mom and Dad and
Sing this happy rhyme.
let's have a joyful day. We ride to school, we ride to school. We will learn and play. We ride to school, we ride to school. What tomorrow we will see. Let's have fun and sing with me.
We are ready to school. We're going to you.
Thank you, kids, for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned a lot. If you have any questions or song requests, write it down on your feedback form and make sure to submit it to your teacher along with your quiz form. You may read your module in advance during your free time. Next session, we are going to have more exciting lessons about characteristic of solid. Make sure to always tune in here at DepEd School on Air. On behalf of our scriptwriter, Rose P. Tiagacer, and the Sdo Isabela Rbi production team, I am your radio teacher, Ma'am Sharon. Till next time, kids, always remember, keep on learning, keep on achieving. Stay safe and have a good day. Goodbye!
Tayo na, tayo na, tayo na, sarado eskwela. Tayo na, tayo na, tayo na, sarado eskwela. Tayo na!
Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon.
Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang may iwan.
Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela!